Yeah, I mean, leadership is supposed to be about service delivery to the people. But if you want to be a political kingpin in total disregard to the needs and challenges facing the common mwananchi, to me, from where I see it, it is a zero-sum game. Yeah, you are not worth being called a leader. So let us not be preoccupied with political kingship. Yeah, because it is not serving the interests of the common mwananchi. In fact, if we were not to have a political kingman or kingwoman, but we facilitate tangible development of the people, so be it. Because that's what the interest of the people is. We want to see roads, we want to see water, we want to see electricity, we want to see revitalization of the sugar belt, yeah? We want to see upgrading of the Kisumu International Airport, we want to see fish processing plants along the lake, yeah? That is what the people are interested in. And the focus and mindset of the voter in this region should also change. Let us vote in people who are preoccupied with service delivery to the people by way of tangible development projects, as opposed to mere political rhetoric. We have done it since independence and it has not taken us anywhere. We need a paradigm shift. In fact, starting with these coming elections, 2027, we are going to have a third liberation. The first liberation was about liberating Kenya from the what? From the colonialists. The second liberation transitioned Kenya from the single party dictatorship to multi-party democracy. The third liberation, which we must realize from 2027 moving forward, is going to be economic liberation.